Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual World. Today I will gonna show how to create account or schedule a meeting on WebEx. You need to download the WebEx application on your Android mobile or on your iPhone. After installing your application, you can either join a meeting which is already scheduled by anyone, or you can sign in if you have your account. But if you are new to the WebEx, then you can create your own account by clicking on sign up button. After clicking on sign up button, you will be redirected to a page which will ask you for an email address. Enter your email address and click on sign up button. Once you have filled the email address, you will be asked about your country, your first name and your last name. After filling all these details, click continue. Once you are done, a activation link will be sent to your email ID. You have to just click the activation link which has been mailed to you. On your mail itself, you will be given a username and WebEx site. Then click create password. Fill your username and password which after entering your password, click on continue button. If you are using WebEx on your laptop or on your computer, it will look in this way. If you are using an Android or Apple application, it will look in this way, where if you want to join a meeting which is already scheduled, click on join meeting directly, or if you have your email address and username along with your password, just click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be asked to write email address over here and then click on next button. After clicking next, select the meeting site which have been provided by WebEx. Once you select the meeting space site, you will be asked to enter the password. Add your or enter your password and click on the next button which is given on the above right corner. After you have entered your password, you will be given instructions on how you can operate your application. If you want to schedule a meeting, you can directly schedule a meeting by clicking on the start meeting, or if you want to join a meeting, you can click on join a meeting which is already scheduled by someone. If you want to schedule a meeting, then click on this plus icon. Enter your email address, password, the date on which you want to schedule the meeting, time, your duration for which you want to hold the meeting. And you can also put the email address of the participants over here if you want to invite someone to your meeting. Once all the details has been filled, click on the start which is given on the right upper corner, or it can be also mentioned over there schedule. Click on the link which has been given over here to start your meeting. Your meeting information will be provided over here. The host, which is you, the date and time at which you have scheduled your meeting number, your password, your video address. And if you want to share this link, you can also share the link by clicking on the share option, which is given over here. Once you click on the share option, you will be asked through your phone through which you want to share. You can share on your WhatsApp or through Gmail account. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.